you will see the AGF people did what we lawyers used to do. I mean, I'll call it legal acrobatic. They have the right to be heard within 5 days, and that is what they are asking for, 5 days. There are 5 days, I think it lapsed today. So they argued it, and the court adjourned till 7th September for hearing of the matter. We expect it.
What are the processes that they wanted to respond to?
No, I don't see them responding to any process, but it is presumed in law that when you are served, certain days must be given to you to look at what is served on you, and whether there is possibility of your response or not, the court will give you what is due to you, and that is 5 days, which they have been given.
And they are seeking for vacation of a particular aspect?
They are seeking for vacation of interim order granted by the court. And, you know, when somebody is asking for that type of thing, maybe he wanted to do something in the interim, and the court, in his wisdom, told them that if I should vacate this order and this man is killed, won't you render the eventual judgment nugatory and put the court in the position of helplessness? That is what we did. But we are not here concerned with what is happening here. We are mostly concerned with what is happening in Abuja, when a court of law ordered that 12 people should be released, and the DSS is sitting on that judgment. I think I made a press release, and I reminded the leader of DSS that he should learn from Magu that if you think you are in authority today, tomorrow you may find yourself in the same trap you made for your enemy. And I will implore everybody that is in this government, especially those who are senior advocates of Nigeria, that especially the vice president, who is a senior advocate of Nigeria, Fashola, that is also a senior advocate of Nigeria, that they should not be partakers in the type of government that will not respect the order of the court. These guys have not taken to arms. They've not done anything. We have shown that fundamental human rights involves self-determination. They are merely asking for self-determination. Now, you arrested them. You murdered two where you arrested them. You destroyed house and cars. Yet, they've not taken to arms. They went to court to seek for their fundamental human rights. Court granted them bail. They perfected the bail. DSS now give an excuse that they saw an application by somebody else asking for the same relief. I remember what one man said in 1946. I think it's Motinola. He said, they first came for communists. I didn't do anything because I was not a communist. They came for socialists. I was not concerned because I'm not a socialist. They came for Jews. I did not raise my eyebrow because I'm not a Jew. They later came for me, and nobody was there to defend me. The same thing happened to Oladipo Dia. He thought he was enjoying himself until the battle was taken to his home. Those in government that are Yorubas, I'm addressing them. This is the time to rise. Don't provoke. Don't provoke. Don't provoke the youths. They have gone to court and they have gotten judgment. Those in DSS detention must be released now. I'm begging. Now they should release them. Thanks so much.
Thank you, sir.